Hello everybody and welcome. As we like to do every week, we like to take a look at the past week's market activity and then kind of bounce around the market and look for something to trade. Well, as I've been kind of going through the last few weeks, you can see here's the market over the last, let's just say, month or so. And you can see it really doesn't know what it wants to do. It's been all over the place, up, down, huge up move. Now it's coming back down again. So essentially kind of in this range, but we really don't know, is it going to start shooting up again or start shooting down? Again, nobody knows the future, but that's kind of where we're at. It's kind of in this limbo, I would say. This is the S&P 500. They all look, again, roughly the same. Here's the NASDAQ, which has taken a bit more of a fall than the S&P 500. The NASDAQ's actually been hit the hardest out of the three indices, as you'll see. And here's the Russell, which seems to be the strongest of the three overall. But again, fairly similar pictures, nothing crazy. So what are we going to trade this week? So we're going to go into the bond market, which you've been following the news at all, you know has been essentially heading straight down now for a few months. And I want you to notice here that the low it hit back about 2 weeks ago was 91.85. So just below 92, right? So that's the low it's hit. And where's it going to go from here? We don't know, but as contrarians, what I like to do is, since it's on this huge down slope, basically bet over the short term that yes, it may come down some more, but over the next roughly 45 days, it'll hopefully bounce and start to head back up. That's the play we're looking to make. So how do we do that? So we're going to go to the trade page. I'll close all this up so we can start from scratch. Right here, you can see 47 days. So tomorrow that'll be 46, right in our wheelhouse. This is TLT. This is the Bond ETF. And what we're going to do is we're going to set up a vertical, a short put vertical, where we bet the stock is going to go up. Now I've made this right here $1.50 wide, which means how much do I need to collect in order to make this a legitimate trade? Well, again, if you remember how this works, we're looking to get 33 cents per dollar width of strikes, and this is $1.50 wide. So if you work that out, it means we're looking at roughly 50 cents. 50 cents or more. And right now we're right there, 50 cents. So this trade is good. We're going to sell the 92.50 put, which is always going to be below our stock price. We always sell the put, start our trade by selling the put below the stock price at some level. And then at this point I'm creating a $1.50 wide vertical, and I'm going to show you why in a second. And as long as I collect my 50 cents or more, this is a good trade. So the reason I'm doing it this way is because if you hit here, you see confirm and send, this is going to show me on this particular platform my break-even stock price. And remember I said the low that we saw, it was 91.85. That's the lowest it's been in years. So my bet is that we hit the low of 91.85. As long as we stay above the low, I'll make money on this trade. I'll obviously have a full winner if it stays above my short strike of 92.50. But anything above the break-even price of 92 means this trade will make some money. So that's why we're making this trade in TLT, and that's why we're selling the short put vertical. We're going to get a break-even price that's right around the low that it's been over the last couple of years, or few years at least. We're getting our credit that we need, and we're betting the stock price over the next 46 days is going to trend upwards. Hello everybody! First off, thank you so much for watching my videos. I always appreciate when people take the time to watch my videos and learn from me. But in the end, I've got a great opportunity for you, because really what this is all about is learning to generate an income stream. So all this knowledge is great, but until we put it into practice, what is the point of it all? At that point, it's just knowledge, but without putting it to practice, it's of no use to us. So I've come up with a way, I believe, to teach you how to generate an income stream with all this knowledge you're learning from me. So if you head on over to Sharper Trades, right there, sharpertrades.com, and you go to the products section, you'll see I have two alerts. They're the exact same alert. The only difference between the option and the pro is that this includes all my courses, unlimited access for as long as you're a member. But this is the one I want to get you up to date on, the alert. And what this is an alert I put out in real time 2 to 3 times a week, real trades I do every morning, and also when I close them to maximize my profits. So I want to teach you how to generate another income stream, and I believe this is the best way. So if you go on over to sharpertrades.com, you type in this coupon code right here into the basic option alert. Normally it's $49 a month, but because I'm so interested in getting you up and running as quickly and confidently as possible, if you go there now and type in that code, it's only $1 for the first month. So not 49 bucks, $1, and you can get onto my alert system and see if you like it and learn to start generating income today by just typing in this code. And again, you can cancel anytime. If you stick around for more than a month, obviously it'll go to $49 a month. But for $1 a month to learn how to generate an income stream, I believe that is a great opportunity. So hopefully you all jump on this and start learning to trade with me in real time, kind of right next to me as I trade on a daily basis. And for those that don't know, these are all my courses that I have up on Udemy. A lot of people don't know that these are a three-part course. This is part 1, understand. Part 2 is the option strategies, and part 3 is make and manage profitable trades. So if you weren't familiar with that, this is a 3-part series. Now you know. So if you're somewhere in the middle or the beginning or the end, you know where to start and where to finish. And then of course I have a couple other courses there. So head on over to Udemy and learn more, and then take all that knowledge and join my alert service and start learning how to turn that knowledge into income. Hope to see you soon.